What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to use the words either and neither. Many students have trouble with these two words, so let's look at the difference between them and how to use them. Before we start, remember to click on the subscribe button and the bell, and follow our Instagram page for more English tips and lessons. Alright, so first let's look at the word either. This word has several usages. Let's look at a few of them. The first usage of either is to show two options. For example, we can either go to the movies or to the park. In this example, I'm saying that there are two options that we can choose from. Here's another example. It's either right or wrong. There's no gray area. In this example, I'm saying that it can only be considered right or wrong. There is nothing in between. Okay, another usage of either is to agree with someone's negative statement. For example, if you say to me, "I didn't like that movie," and I want to agree with you, I can say, "I didn't like it either." When we're agreeing with a negative statement, we don't use the word to. It would be incorrect to say, "I didn't like it too." We need to use the word either in this situation. Here's another example. If you say to me, "I still haven't finished yesterday's homework," I could say, "I haven't finished it either." Here I'm agreeing with your negative statement. Alright, one other usage of either is to refer to both sides of something. For example, there's a row of trees on either side of his house. In this sentence, I'm saying that there are trees on both sides of the house. Of course, it's more common to use the word both in this situation. But when the sentence is negative, you can't use the word both. You need to use the word either. Let me show you an example of this. There was nobody on either side of her. In this sentence, I need to use the word either. It would be incorrect to say, "There was nobody on both sides of her." In this type of negative sentence, we use either. Okay, now let's look at the word neither. There are several usages of this word, so let's take a look at a few of them. The first usage of this word is to say that two subjects do not do something. For example, neither of them did their homework. In this example, I'm saying that the two people did not do their homework. Here's another example. Neither of my sisters is married. In this example, I'm saying that I have two sisters and both of them are single. Alright, another usage of the word neither is to agree with someone's negative statement. For example, if you say that you didn't sleep well last night, and I also didn't sleep well last night, I could say, "Me neither." This is a really common phrase in English, me neither. Here's another example. If you say that you've never been to Canada, and I haven't been to Canada either, I could say, "Me neither." And lastly, let's take a look at the usage of the word neither that everybody learns in school, the neither nor usage. For example, neither he nor I said anything. In this example, I'm saying that we both said nothing. Here's another example. That man was neither nice nor funny. In this example, I'm saying that the man wasn't nice or funny. But just note that native speakers would never use these types of neither nor sentences in normal speech. They're only used in formal writing. Alright, hopefully this video was helpful for you. Leave a comment and try to use the words either and neither in your own sentences. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram for more English tips and lessons. I'll see you next time.